Hey, have you heard about the new software that is guaranteed to bring you profits every single day? Come on in. I'll give you a little show. Have you guys heard of this? Have you been sold on a trading software only to find out that it's a scam? Well, here in this video today, I'm going to let you know how you can figure that one out and how to spot it. Hey traders, it's Marina, the Trader Chick, and I've got a really interesting episode for you today on Confessions of a Trader Chick. All right, so who's been caught up in a scam with softwares and flashy indicators and other things that they tell you that they are going to give you a way to make money? All you have to do is just turn on the on button on your software, walk away, and you'll be making 5,000 bucks per day. Don't tell me you haven't heard this. And even worse, how many of you have been bought and sucked into this kind of a scam? Unfortunately, it's a norm, and don't feel bad because you're not the only ones. It is common in the trading industry. Here's a scenario. Here's what happens quite often. You guys want to learn how to day trade. Cool. I get it. I've been there. I've spent thousands on hundreds of thousands of dollars on my education. So you get into this academy and they say, well, you've got to get the, with this whatever amount of time that you're buying a course for, you also get to use our software, which our course is all about how to use the software or an indicator or whatever, right? Cool. So you learn it. You don't actually learn how to day trade. What you do is you're learning how to trade with their software or understand how to use the software, never to actually just learn how to day trade. Basically, like driving a car, right? When you sit down, you want to learn how to drive a car, but instead what you're doing is you're buying this little switch that will help your car drive while you kind of sit back. Autopilot doesn't work. It just does not work. Autopilot might work a teeny bit for flying, for pilots, but when it comes down to the absolute necessity, guess what? Autopilot's off and they know what to do with the plane. Do you know what to do with your charts? No, because when you're buying into these softwares, this is what happens. I'll go back to that. You end up taking this course that has this really cool, flashy software that guarantees all this stuff, only seems to work when you're actually doing the course with the people. And all of a sudden, your time is up with them. Cool. All right, now I'm going to go and do it on my own. Oh, why is my software not working? What happened? Oh, you didn't know? Well, once you stop with, working with us in the class, you have to pay for the upgrade of the software. It's only $5,000. Don't worry, but once you pay it, you'll get that software working just the way we taught you. Okay, so 3 months later, but you know what? I just paid for the upgrade. What happened? Oh, we have to upgrade it again. So it's another $2,000. This is it. They got you in. They hooked you. Are you going to be a sucker for that? Do you even know what a support and resistance area is? Can you yourself decide if you even want to enter the market, or are you completely on autopilot, relying on getting in for what they are telling you to do? You decide. What? You decide. Is this going to happen to you, or are you going to learn how to day trade? Look, scams, this is how it works, right? With every industry, there is scams. I want you to sign up. Simplifyingdaytrading.com. It's my free mini course. I actually teach you what the scams are, the misconceptions, and what you as a trader can do, can start. No gimmicks. I'm not even telling you, it's a free course, free mini course to tell you, to show you what you need to do. When I first started, I was also caught up in that. I was in these trading rooms following other people's strategies and losing money all the time because I didn't have my own strategy. I didn't even know what the market was telling me. And that's when I just realized that the majority of the money I was losing was because I didn't know how to read it. It's like a music student just going and sitting at a keyboard and pressing a button with music that's already playing without actually learning any notes. And they sometimes just press a button to add a new tone, thinking that they're playing, but they're not. It's a software. Are you going to be a person that presses that little button once in a while and pays 5,000 bucks for each upgrade? Or are you going to be the person that actually learns how to trade and read those music notes and be able to play your own tune? It's up to you. Because if you're going to stick on the road of buying software that they tell you is going to work for you and needs consistent upgrades and never actually works, because algorithms change, computer programs change, the market, if you know how to read it, does it. It tells you what you need to read. It tells you what it needs to do. So stop buying the softwares. Learn how to read the market. It's really all in your hands and you've got the power. So, ready? Subscribe to my video right now. Subscribe so that you get more of these types of videos to give you real ideas, real understanding of what trading is about, that you own the market, that you trade for yourself. I'm Marina, the Trader Chick. You can contact me at the Trader Chick. Any questions? I love questions. Also, sign up for my free mini course, simplifyingdaytrading.com. This will tell you, it will show you all the myths, all the scams, everything that there is, so you know what the right steps are for you to take on your own, completely free. This is my goal. I just don't want you guys to be suckered into what I lost, thousands of dollars. There's no reason for it. There are so many ways to avoid that and actually just learn how to trade. Ready? Subscribe, thetraderchick.com, and I can't wait to hear more from you.